right, there we are. We are live. Welcome. What's up? Jason Brown here from Portland, Oregon, coming on live. Whether you're catching this on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, wherever you are, welcome to this video. So it is Wednesday, and that can be Winning Wednesday, Wellness Wednesday, and most importantly for us, Webinar Wednesday. So I'm hopping on here. Still super excited about this platform that I joined just over 3 months ago. As you saw in the description there above me, below me, wherever you're seeing that, over $435,000 have been paid out in commissions in just under 4 months. We're not even at 4 months yet, and over $435,000 have been paid out in commissions to our members. A little over 1,100 members. Outstanding success, whether you're a newbie, whether you're a veteran, or somewhere in between. This program is working and is proving to work and to be a winning way for anybody. So if you have you've been watching for a while, you've seen my posts of the income that I've been able to generate. You've seen that the engagement on my posts has improved or increased dramatically. You've seen my presence in this online space, both my YouTube channel, Facebook, my reach, all of that, all due to this great platform, this program that I joined a little over three months ago. So we do have the webinar tonight. It's at 7 o'clock Eastern time. I will have the link down below in the comments. 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. I'd love for you to be my guest. I'd love for you to come see firsthand what's going on, see firsthand, hear from our mentor, a seven-figure earner, multiple seven-figure earner, month after month. Hear from her what the program is, how it works, how we do this, how we're making money, how we're changing all these things that I mentioned, and be a part of the movement. Be a part of what life-changing things are happening for multiple amounts of people, hundreds of people that have joined the platforms thus far. And again, barely, not even 4 months in, we're really just getting started. We're really just cranking this thing up, and now's a great time to join. Now's a great time to get involved. So again, no obligation, nothing lost by coming to check it out. Towards the end of every webinar, there's also a part where there's testimonials shared from real people that are a part of the program, the success they've had, how they're doing it, what they're doing, and just the excitement that surrounds it. So I encourage you to just come check it out. Again, no obligation, just to check it out and see what we're doing. See some of the simple tasks that are involved in creating this income, in addition to just being excited about the environment. And we have a Facebook group that's the most active group I've ever been a part of. We have a chat that same thing, extremely active. Everybody's involved in supporting one another. Everyone's involved in encouraging one another, and it's just a positive environment where we're learning as we're earning. And so it just creates this movement, as I mentioned, to where people just want to be involved. People want to be involved and find those successes for themselves. So again, I'll have the link for this webinar tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern, drop down here in my comments. Please reach out, shoot me a message if you have any questions. But again, just offering that you come take a look, be my guest tonight, and see what it's all about, see what's going on, see how I'm finding success, and you can too. So I hope you'll join me. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for stopping by. If you were here live, I appreciate you being here. Unfortunately, I don't see any comments, or I do see that people have hopped on and off, 3, 4, 5, 7 different people, or 7 people at this current time, and I certainly appreciate that. So thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping through. Drop me a comment. Hopefully you gained some value from this, and look forward again to seeing you on the webinar. All right? Till then, I'm out, Jason Brown. Peace.